Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the tan. Newer tans lift faster, older ones need repeated action. Once assessed, wash skin with lukewarm water and apply a gentle physical scrub. Use about 1/2 teaspoon per area and rub in circular motions for 60 to 90 seconds to remove dead pigment. Make sure to avoid broken skin. After exfoliating, rinse thoroughly and pat dry. This first step accelerates pigment turnover and makes subsequent treatments more effective, so don't skip it. Once the surface layer is removed, move to targeted treatments to break down residual pigment. Start with a chemical exfoliant, achthy at 5 to 10% or BHA at 1 to 2%, used twice weekly to increase cell turnover. Then apply a brightening serum, like vitamin C or niacinamide, to inhibit melanin production and even tone. Make sure to follow with a hydrating, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Importantly, wear SPF every day. Without sun protection, the skin will redarken and undo your progress. To finish the process, maintain daily sun protection, SPF 30 or higher, and reapply every 2 hours when exposed. Repeat the exfoliation plus brightening cycle every 7 to 10 days. Most tans fade after 3 to 6 weeks of consistent care. If areas remain stubborn, continue safe cycles rather than increasing strength. Patience wins. If you get persistent irritation, stop actives immediately, switch to a soothing barrier cream, and seek professional advice. This prevents scarring or hyper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.